Hey guys, John here from HydroEmpire.com, and today we're going to talk about rooting hormones and why they're so important to use. As you can see here, there are a ton of different varieties of rooting hormones. Some come in powder format, some come in liquid, and some come in gels. The great thing about gels is that they stick really well. Whenever you're using a cloning machine or whenever you're dipping your clones into some kind of media, the gel will stick around. The reason why we use a rooting hormone or rooting compound is to actually help the plant produce roots. It sounds crazy, but you can actually take a cutting of a plant, put it in one of these gels or hormones, and it will actually help produce the roots from that cutting. Everyone has a preferred brand, but by far Clonix is the best seller. It's great because it's a gel and it sticks to your clones, but it's also very versatile because you can actually use it in a cloning machine and it won't get washed out. They use IBA, and there's also other products that use NAA, and there's some products that actually use both. But you can choose whatever you like. I prefer Clonix, which has 0.31% IBA in it. As I mentioned earlier, there's lots of different varieties of hormones. Some come in powder format, some come in liquid and gel, but my favorite is the Clonix gel. The reason being is when you're taking that cutting and you put it into a cloning machine like a TurboKlone machine and the misters are spraying it, the gel will stick and stay around. Or when you're putting the clone into a media, it won't get rubbed off. One thing to avoid when using any of these rooting compounds is to make sure you don't contaminate them. Don't take your cutting and put it into the bottle. You actually want to pour it out into a shot glass or some kind of small container and then dip into that. And also make sure that you don't pour that used product back into the bottle.